Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to mint your NFTs on Opensea. Now with that being said, let's head on to your computer browser. And first things first, all you have to do is go to the Opensea website, that is opensea.io. Now once you're in the website, all you have to do is to connect a wallet in order for you to log in into Opensea. Now first, I'm just going to select Connect Wallet right here. And as you can see, you have all sorts of crypto wallet available. You have MetaMask, Coinbase, and you have a lot of options for here. So just select what you want. So for now, I'm just going to select MetaMask because this is popular nowadays. So once I click on MetaMask, first you should have a MetaMask wallet. Now, in order to have a MetaMask wallet, all you have to do is go to MetaMask and of course download the extension of MetaMask into your browser. And once you have done that, just sign up all the details that you need and you have a MetaMask wallet. So once you have done that, it will lead you to this website right here. Just click on Connect Wallet right there and select MetaMask, and all you have to do is to enter your password. So once I have done that, as you can see, I am now connected into my wallet and I can now use Opensea. Now first, we have to create an NFT. Now to create an NFT, all you have to do is go to the profile icon right here and head on to create right here. So once you have done that, just click on sign right here on the MetaMask notification. And it will lead you to creating an NFT. Now in order to create an NFT, they have a required field in order for you to create an NFT. So it can be an image, a video, an audio, or a 3D model. And make sure the file types are JPG, PNG, GIF, and all sorts of this. And the max size should be at least 100 MB. Now all you have to do is to click on this box right here and now select your image that you want to upload. So as you can see, this is my image that I want to upload, or I want to mint into my Opensea. Now all you have to do is to create an item name. So I'm just going to select on guitar on fire. Next is the external link. If you have this image on a separate link, for example, if you have this image on CJ Dropshipping or on any e-commerce digital selling website, all you have to do is to copy that link and of course paste it right here. So for now, I'm just going to leave this blank because I don't have a link to this image right here on any website. So description, all you have to do is provide a detailed description of your item. So I'm just going to select a guitar on fire with black background. So that's about it. You can actually have any description that you want or what pleases you. And next is the collection. So all you have to do is to select the collection that you want this particular NFT to be saved. So I'm just going to select Untitled Collection right here. That's about it. And next is the properties. So textual traits that show up as a rectangle. So the properties of your image. What are the properties of your image? So for now, I'm just going to select this plus icon right here, and I'm just going to select guitar is orange, add more flames as yellow, and of course background is black. So you can actually add more properties regarding on what the properties of your image are. So next, I'm just going to click on save right here. And the levels, these are the numerical traits that show as a progress bar. So what is the level of your image? So rate your image from what particular level is your image. So I'm just going to select plus right here. And I'm just going to select flame. Oops, sorry. I'm just going to select flame. I'm just going to select 4 out of 5. That's about it. That's good. So this is just for example. You can actually add more numerical traits that you want. Next is the stats. So these are the numerical traits that show as numbers. So on the levels, if the levels are numerical traits that show as progress bar, under stats, these are the numerical traits that show as numbers. So I'm just going to select plus right here. Again, let's have flame. So I'm just going to select 4 again. Just going to select on save. And that's about it. You can actually add a lot of traits or stats regarding on what your image is. Next is the unlockable content. So if you want someone to view this one with a password, so for example, if I am viewing this image and once I click on this image, it will require me a password. So if you want that, all you have to do is to toggle this one. And if you don't want that, just of course don't toggle it. It's as simple as that. And next is the explicit and sensitive content. So if this image or if your image is has sensitive content, just toggle this one on. So I believe I don't have an explicit content right about here, so I'm just going to toggle this one off. And the supply is how many supplies you want this item to sell. So for now, I'm just going to select 3. That's about it. And next is the blockchain. So the blockchain, you have actually a lot of blockchains available. So you have a lot of blockchains available right here. Just scroll on this real quick. So in my area, I have Polygon and Ethereum. So it may depend on what area you are currently using Opensea. But in my area here in the Philippines or in Asia, I only have Ethereum and Polygon. So make sure what is the blockchain in your MetaMask. Make sure to select that blockchain here. So if to avoid difficulties in the future. So next, once I have done that, all you have to do is to click on create to start creating your NFT. So just click on the reCAPTCHA right here that says I'm a robot, and select all the buses right here or anything that what will the reCAPTCHA advises you to do. So I'm just going to click on next right here, and next and verify right here. So as you can see right that I'm now done with the reCAPTCHA, and all I have to do is to wait. And as you can see, you created Guitar on Fire. So once we have done that, we can actually review all of the traits that we have selected earlier. So as you can see right here, the stats right here, the levels right here, and the about untitled collection right about there. So once I have done that, all you have to do is to list this item. Now to list this item, all you have to do is to click on list item, and of course select how many items you want to list. As you can see under the stock option, previously we select 3, or we have entered 3. So if you want to select or if you want to list this item for how many products that you want, so I'm just going to select on 2 right here. And next, I want to list 2 items. So once I have done that, we can set the price per item. So I'm just going to select 0.0007 Ethereum, so that's about $2.50. So I'm not gonna make this very expensive because we are just still starting. Now on the duration, all you have to do is to select how many months or how many days, how many weeks, or what is the duration you want this particular NFT or image you want to be on the list. So just click on the drop down right here. As you can see, you have a date range. You can actually have it for an hour, 6 hours, 1 day, 3 days, or even 6 months. So for now, I'm just going to select 7 days. That's about it. And once you have done that, all you have to do is select complete listing. So once you will click on select listing, you should approve your listing on MetaMask. So just scroll on that real quick. And once you have done that, just click on sign right here. And there you have it. Your item has been listed. So it's very simple as that. So if you have some questions, some comments, or even some suggestions about the video, kindly put it down on the comment section box below, and I will try to read and answer them as much as I can. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!